Welcome everybody to another episode of Formula 3000 Diecast, and today we have another wheel loader, but this time with a few accessories. As you can see in the picture, this is again from DiecastMasters, and here is the back of the package with the accessories and how it works. Cool to add this into my collection. It's metal on metal. It's from their Play and Collect edition in 1/64. And without any more mumbo jumbo, let's crack it open and then I'll be back. And here we go. Let's check out this model with the bucket first. We have rubber tires with good details on the wheels. Got a very good detail inside of the cab. Everything on the body, the top, it's metal. These rails are plastic, obviously. This is metal as well. And this part of the arm is plastic as well. We have hydraulics right here, and in here. And painted headlights and taillights. Pretty good. Liking this wheel loader list. Change into the accessory, and for that we just need to pull this down, then this one's up, and we'll just do the same thing here. And here it is. The wheel loader with the lug arm. It has skip movement up and down. Let's see this one come up. But anyway, this is the wheel loader with the lug fork. Sorry, that's what they call it. And let's roll. Yep, it rolls pretty good. Anyway, this is it. Pretty detail, pretty good quality from DiecastMasters. They always deliver when it comes to this cat vehicles. It's pretty amazing, and I'm loving them. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that fun stuff, so we can keep bringing you these beautiful vehicles and keeping up with the channel. Thank you, and till the next one, have a good one. Bye.